Okay, let's hop into the dog training. The main idea is focused on today are mat and place training. Basically, this helps us to train the dog to be calm and recall to us when they are called upon. Let's hop into it. We have this Zion, who is a Labrador Retriever Shepherd mix. He's a little bit timid, but I'll run you through it. We touch the mat, pointed there, and wait for him to lie down. As soon as he did, we gave him treats. Again, he was a little bit timid based off like fast hand movements, but I'll tell you how we worked through that. So we immediately did a break after he laid down and kept the command for a period of time. I know he's a little bit shy, but as soon as I put the treat down slow, he opens up and went down immediately, which was phenomenal. Another example is when I was giving him treats here, he's able to practice both handshakes to give a reset from the break command. But as soon as an example, he kind of moved away when I placed the hand quick, but then he realized it was the same hand movement as before, and then he got down and took the treats immediately in a happy manner. Next, we trained this Doberman dog. He's a mix, about 6 months. We went outside, and this is what the whole session sounded like.
Place. 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 1, stay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Come here. Come here. Yes. Ready? Before we go. Bring on a good note. Head. Place. Yes. Stay. 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 Okay, come here. Yes. Good job.